What if I told you your favorite influencer, the one with millions of followers, the perfect face, the luxury lifestyle, doesn't even exist? No childhood, no real memories, not even a heartbeat. Yet brands are paying these people millions of dollars, and millions of users interact with them every single day, without realizing they're completely artificial. This is the dark truth behind AI influencers. Just a few years ago, influencers were ordinary people who became famous through social media. But everything changed when artificial intelligence entered the creator economy. Today, AI can generate faces, voices, videos, and even personalities that look almost impossible to distinguish from real humans. Some AI influencers post daily, reply to comments, promote products, and even appear in interviews. The shocking part, many followers never realize they're talking to software. Behind every AI influencer is a company, a team of designers, writers, marketers, and AI engineers. Unlike human creators, AI influencers never get tired. They don't age, they never ask for higher salaries, they never get involved in scandals unless their creators want publicity. For brands, that's the perfect employee, an influencer that works 24 hours a day, speaks multiple languages, and can be completely redesigned overnight. This is why companies are investing millions into virtual creators, because controlling an AI is far easier than managing a real celebrity. But here's where things become disturbing. AI influencers blur the line between reality and fiction. Some users build emotional connections with someone who doesn't actually exist. Others buy products because they trust a personality created entirely by marketing teams. As AI becomes more realistic, spotting what's fake becomes harder every year. Experts also worry about misinformation. Imagine AI influencers promoting fake news, political opinions, or financial advice, all while appearing completely human. If people can't tell what's real anymore, who can they trust? AI influencers aren't just changing social media, they're changing how humans connect, trust, and make decisions. This technology isn't slowing down, it's becoming smarter, more realistic, and more persuasive. The next influencer you follow, the next face you admire, or the next person you trust online might not be a person at all, and that's the dark truth. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more stories about technology, business, and the hidden side of the modern world.